So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up an RRSP account here on Tangerine Bank. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press accounts, then just scroll down to where it says open an account, select that, or you can go to where it says explore products. But for this example, I will just press open an account. Once you're on the products page right here, you can either search the account or go to savings right here. You can scroll down and you can see the RSP savings account, or you can slide this top bar to where it says investing, scroll down, and you can find the RSP investment fund account. So for this example, we're just going to go ahead and press savings right here, RSP, go ahead and view it. If this looks good to you, you can go ahead and read more about it. If this is good, go to the bottom, press add an account, and then press continue. Once you're on this page right here, you can review the product, press continue, then follow the steps that proceed after this. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can open up an RRSP account here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.